Assam Sarkar ekta tangor legal reforms push kuradi aji Assam Assembly bra Uniform Civil Code Bill 2026 pass kurishe. Bill do House the BJP-led state Sarkar May 25 the introduced Greek natakadi aji pass kurishe. Assam bra bill pass kuradi Northeast laga behla aro BJP-ruled state Uttarakhand aro Gujarat pichidi third state ase kude UCC pass Greek nase. Bill pass nakura kede opposition bra legislation do wider consultation nimite select committee ke patawali mangkrishe hulibi house bra bill pass kridishe. 2026 Assam Assembly elections laga agedi UCC do BJP laga key promises kandi ekta tagishe aro BJP election di jit hasil kura bichidi idu moina behla meeting lua same state cabinet bra draft approved kura laga ase. Legislation do state ti taka sop manu karne ekta single civil legal framework panawali sik kuri ase. Aro bill di marriage, divorce, succession aro live-in relationships nishna issues cover kuri ase. Bill laga key provisions di polygamy, pan-kura, marriages aro live-in relationships register kura do mandatory panai dishe. Draft law bidorde shadi hua laga 60 days bidorde register kuribole aro live-in relationships di taka couples kan 30 days bidorde register kuribole lage. Bill di non-compliance nohilibi tigina taka samedi marriage aro divorce register kuribole paranai kwele rupees 10,000 fine lobole penalty bi lay down kuriknase.